Welcome back. I'm going to have another quick one for you. This is quite an obscure one, because that means obscure. Quite a random one that we get every now and then at PopUp Business School. This one is, how do I change the email that is on my account? You might do this for a number of reasons. You might have done it because you put the email in wrong. You might have just created a new business email account whilst with us over the couple of weeks, or whilst you're creating your business. And you just want to shift everything over so that it's in one place. That's cool. Here's how you do it. So we're in our fabulous cake related website. We don't need to be in the website, but we need to be in the account. So if you click this little cross up in the top corner, that will take you back to what is called your dashboard. Now, the dashboard sort of shows you loads of random stuff about your website. If you're paying for it, it will show you how many people are looking at your website. It will show you form entries, and it will just generally have a few other things worth exploring. There's some cool stuff. What we need to do is you want to go up to where it says your name in the top right corner here. So obviously that's my name. Click on that, click on account. Once you're in account, underneath your name here on the left-hand side, click manage account. And it brings up this pop-up box. Just click on change email. And then what that lets you do is it lets you edit the email address. You'll have to put your password in so that it knows, basically it's like a data security thing. It needs to know that you're the actual user. But put in the email address that you want it to change to, click save, that will then do it. So the next time you log in, you just need to use this new email address that you're putting in there. Done. Very simple. Another really quick one for you. It's one of those interesting ones. You probably don't need this video, but I'm hoping that this saves quite a lot of hassle for a lot of you. Keep watching these. We're going to be releasing these videos on a regular basis. This is season 3 of Website Wednesday. Now, we're going to do a few more really useful videos for you. Some are going to be really in-depth. Some of them are just going to lightly touch the surface to help you do some of those simple tasks. Keep watching. See you soon. See you next time.